Hi everyone, this is Eric Guzman and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for this tutorial video, we are going to talk about the Enterprise Project Structure or the EPS. So what is EPS? Enterprise Project Structure or the EPS, it represents the hierarchical structure of all the projects in your database. So this EPS, it can be divided into as many levels or as many nodes as you can call it as needed to represent the work at your company or at your organization. So in this video, we will learn how to add or create a sample enterprise project structure or a sample EPS with several nodes or with several levels. From one of our previous tutorial videos, we have already mentioned the enterprise project structure or the EPS. To go to the EPS form, we just have to click enterprise here. And then we can see this enterprise project structure here. We just have to click this. And this is the enterprise project structure form or the EPS form. So as you can see, these are all the default or the sample EPS hierarchical here. We have the engineering, energy, manufacturing. We have two levels of EPS here, level 1 here and the level 2. And the bottom here, this is the details. We have some few descriptions here with the EPS ID, EPS name, and also the responsible manager. This part here, we will discuss this in the future tutorial video. In this EPS, we can change the view here. This is a table view here. We can change it from table view to chart view. Just have to click this. We can view our enterprise project structure as a chart view. Just click this and here. So we can better visualize it as a chart. Okay, so now we will try to create a sample enterprise project structure. Let's go back. So one important function of the EPS is you have to create at least one EPS. This is for you to assign your project, so you can assign any projects. If ever you are starting with a blank database or there are no available EPS in your database, so you have to create one at least whenever you are creating new projects. So again, let's start over. Click Enterprise, Enterprise Project Structure. And again, we are here in the Enterprise Project Structure. You can see the Add button here. So let's try to click here below. Click the add icon. And here you can see the new EPS. And as you can see, this newly created EPS is under IT for now. We can move it using these arrows here. To move it into the level 1, click this left arrow. So there you go. And you just have to rename the EPS ID. For example, our EPS name is Project Management Unit. Our EPS ID is PMU. So this is our level 1. So again, we just have to disregard first the responsible manager as we will discuss it in the future tutorial videos. And under the PMU EPS or the Project Management Unit EPS, we will have to add another 3 EPS. So this 3 EPS will be under PMU and this will be level 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so these are all under the PMU. First, level 2 EPS. Let's try to name it as estimation and costing. EPS ID EC. And next EPS level 2 is let's try to write design management. EPS ID, just put DM. And then third is planning and scheduling. For the EPS ID, let's just write ES. Okay, so these are the level 2 EPS under the PMU, which is our level 1. Let's say, for example, we want to add another level of EPS under estimation and costing. So click estimation and costing here and add. So I'd like to add two more EPS under the estimation and costing. One, two. So as you can see, the newly add two EPS is under PMU. So far this is level 2 and we want to add it under the estimation and costing. So we just have to click this arrow here, to use this arrow here, right arrow to move it as level 3 here. So, and also this one here. So these two new EPS is now under the estimation and costing, and these are now level 3. So we have to rename it. For example, this EPS is cost estimate. And EPS ID, just write CE. For the another EPS, let's try budget preparation. So again, this is just a sample EPS. For EPS ID, right? BP. Okay, and again, as we did in estimation and costing, we also like to create another level of EPS under design management. So click design management, add two. So the same way as this cost estimate and budget preparation, we just have to move it to the right to make it under the design management EPS. There you go, and another one. There you go. So you just have to rename it. For example, I'd like it to be named as design qualification DQ as DPS ID. Another one, design evaluation DE as DPS ID. So for the last level 2 EPS, I want also to create another level of EPS under this one. So I'd add another 2 and click right to make it under the PS or the planning scheduling. Rename it, say master planning MP financial planning FP. Okay, so far we have created three levels of PPS. Level 1, PMU or the project management unit. Level 2, estimation and costing, design management and planning and scheduling. And for the level 3 EPS, under the estimation and costing, cost estimate and budget preparation. Secondly, under the design management, we have the design qualification and design evaluation. And third, under the planning scheduling, last to level 3 EPS, the master planning and financial planning. Let's say, for example, we want to add last EPS, and this time this EPS will be level 4. We want to add it under the financial planning, add another, and click right to move it under the financial planning. For example, we want to call it as resources planning or resource planning RP. So there you go. This is our level 4 EPS under the financial planning. So we can collapse this. We can expand, collapse, 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 and expand. Yeah. To have a better view or to have a better visualization, just click the display and make it as chart view. This is our newly created enterprise project structure. Our level 1 is the PMU, Project Management Unit. Again, disregard this responsible manager. And we have 3 level 1 EPS under the PMU, the estimation and costing, design management, planning and scheduling. And we have 6 EPS, which are all level 3, because estimate and budget preparation under this EPS, design qualification and design evaluation under this EPS, master planning and financial planning under this planning and scheduling EPS. And under the financial planning, we also have the last EPS, which is level 4, the resource planning. This is how we create an enterprise project structure. So whenever we are going to create or add new projects, we will just select which enterprise project structure the project is assigned. So you can select this project enterprise project structure, this one, also any levels, even this one. Additional information, you can change the design of this chart view of the enterprise project structure. From here, you can see chart font and colors. If you want to change the font like this, and you want to make it bold, you want to change the color as red, just click OK, apply. So yeah, there you go. And if you want to change the color of the boxes here, go back again to chart font and colors, change the box color. If you want to make it as let's say green, click OK, apply, and there you go. So this is just for visual purposes. If you want to change it to another colors,